This is an ordinary screen door. See how it covers that beautiful door you bought? This is a phantom retractable screen door. See how it disappears discreetly into a 2-inch housing when you don't need it? It's like it's not even there. This is an ordinary screen door. See how it never completely slides out of the way, giving you a not-so-nice view. This is a phantom retractable screen door. See how it disappears into its housing, giving you a clear, unobstructed view. That way, you can enjoy the beauty of the outdoors and bring fresh air into your home while still getting protection from bugs and debris. This is an ordinary screen door. See how the design can be unflattering. This is a phantom retractable screen door. See how it blends in with your existing decor. That's because it comes in a variety of designs like single, in-swing, outswing, sliding patio, and French doors. And the best part? It comes with professional installation that's done in 1 hour and is backed by an outstanding warranty. And those who have them, love them. Overall, phantom retractable screens give you all the benefits of ordinary screen doors without any of the disadvantages, and will help you fall in love with your home all over again. Call now for more information. Phantom Screens. You'll see.